Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Chevrolet Spark clutch cable. First, locate the adjustment point on the clutch cable, usually found near the firewall. Make sure your engine is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. You'll need just a few basic tools, typically a 10mm wrench and a pair of pliers, to get started with this simple process. Now, let's get to loosening the cable. Take your 10mm wrench and carefully loosen the lock nut on the clutch cable. Once the lock nut is loose, you can then turn the adjustment nut to create some slack in the cable. It's important to ensure the cable moves freely at this point, as this confirms you've successfully loosened the mechanism for adjustment. Next, we'll achieve the proper tension. Gently pull the clutch pedal up towards you to remove any existing free play. Then, begin tightening the adjustment nut. Turn it slowly until you feel a slight resistance, indicating the cable is starting to engage. The goal is to have approximately 1 inch of free play at the top of the clutch pedal for optimal performance. Finally, it's time to finalize and test your adjustment. Once you've set the desired tension, securely tighten the lock nut against the adjustment nut to prevent it from moving. Now, start your engine and carefully test the clutch engagement in all gears. Ensure that shifting feels smooth and that there's no slipping or grinding, confirming a successful adjustment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.